Hello and welcome to the typical mistakes in safety, in this case emergency stop.
Let's look on the wiring mistake. So here we have the door switch, emergency stop push button, and also the safety module. How do you think we will wire that? The typical mistake number one is to wire that in serial connection on the same channel. So many people think that this is a correct wiring, and that's absolutely wrong because you are mixing the protective stop with the emergency stop. Technically it will work, but that it's not correct at all. Here comes the second big mistake, because many people think that the safety modules has two channels, so that one channel is for the protective stop, another channel is for the emergency stop, and that will work also. But of course, that is wrong. So please think about it a little bit. Which do you think could be the solution for the most common mistake number one and number two, for the protective stop and emergency stop? Of course, using two safety relay modules, one for the protective stop and second one for the emergency stop. So in this, using that according to the performance level wiring, so you can isolate the functionality of the protective stop if you are working in manual, automatic mode, or a semi-automatic mode, and the emergency stop function will still always working. So this one is the correct solution, and hope that inspires you a bit.
Remember that in industrial automation areas, do not confuse the emergency stop function with the protective stop function. It's like the fire alarm and the security alarm. Look similar circuits, but they have different uses. Thank you for watching us, and for further questions, contact our local safety expert.